game show, only on VTV Network. You're watching Danny's World on VTV Network.
Tornado emergency for central Glisson counties in Nebraska. The National Weather Service in Cheyenne has issued a tornado warning for Glisson County until 9:15 p.m. At 7:57 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Gardenview, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Gardenview, Dream Island, and Wenda. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, trained weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impacts, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Catastrophic damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is highly likely. This dangerous storm will be near Gardenview around 8:10. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Elliotville and the Gardenview Museum and Educational Center. This includes Route 71 in Nebraska between mile marker 91 and 101. Precautionary preparedness actions. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. This tornado has been confirmed to be intense to violent and will cause catastrophic damage to any areas affected. Moving to an interior room will not guarantee survival of this tornado. Find a concrete shelter or an underground area now. If you are in a mobile home or car, leave immediately and find nearby shelter. If there is no shelter, find the nearest ditch or drainage culvert and cover your head and neck area.